Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with the vegetable pulao. Okay, vegetable pulao. So please note down my style vegetable pulao. I have taken 2 cups of measurement of rice of this. So measurement is upon you how much you want. So I am taking 2 cups of rice and I am taking normal jeera rice. So I have washed it and I have soaked it. After washing, it is been kept for 30 minutes. Now for 2 cups of pulao, you will be needing a double portion of water, that is around 4 cups of water. So you can add 4 cups. Some people use 3.5 cup. Again, it is upon you, but I am going to use 4 cups of water in this. Okay, so I am going to do with this. Then I'll be adding some mixed vegetable and some pepper and 2 tomatoes and 2 onion for 2 cups of rice. Then I'll be using some pepper, whole pepper, some cinnamon, some pepper, cinnamon, some cardamoms and some cloves while I'm frying. So let's start. And please keep 4 cups of water for 2 cups of measurement. Hot water. So that is my hot water which is already ready. And this is my vessels. I can't keep the camera very close by to this because once I have done and I had to repair my mobile. Mobile got spoiled due to the heat. So I will show you step by step. So here it is. So I have to keep a distance actually. So here comes the oil for frying. Around 2 tablespoons of oil for this pulao. And we will add our whole spices. That is around, like, I'm using this one like this stick. Then I'm using around, not much, but around 6 peppercorns for this. And I'm going to use some cloves, around again 6. Okay, and I'm going to use some cardamoms. So these are cloves, okay. So cardamoms again is your choice. How much you want to add the cardamoms for flavor. So these are my dry whole masala. Now 1 onion finely chopped will go in this. So this is finely chopped 1 onion. And fry this nicely. So I will show you. Here are the onions. Now we will add our tomatoes in this and fry. Now we will add our dry spices, that is dry masala. I'm adding this is 3/4 of teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm adding 3/4 of coriander powder. That's it. Now there will be my salt to taste. So here goes my salt to taste. And we will fry. Now at this time we will add our rice. Okay, now you will say that I have told you about this vegetables. This vegetable I am not going to add in this because the pulao becomes starchy. So I am going to fry this vegetable separately, and then when the pulao is ready, that time I will be adding this in that and mix it very nicely. So here comes my rice. But if you want to add vegetable while frying the onions and tomatoes, you are most welcome to do this. So let's mix this nicely. For a few minutes. And now we will add our water to this. Hot water, 4 cups. Now cover this and cook. Now if you are doing without pressure cooker, then cover this on medium flame and cook this till the rice is cooked. Okay, I am doing it by closing the lid. So I will only see that 1 whistle comes. Just 1 whistle. And side by side we will fry our vegetable. So now I will roast my vegetables, mixed vegetable and pepper. I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil in this, and now I will roast, and I will add only flavor is salt to this. Here it is. I'm roasting this on a high flame. We'll add a little bit of salt. So let it get roast for around 5 to 10 minutes. Make it like 10 to 15 minutes till your vegetables are nicely fried. You can cover it and you can cook this separately. And so here now we will get our one whistle which we are waiting for. The pressure is up. My vegetables are also roasted. And now we will get it. And we will put off our gas. So it is like around 12 minutes 11 seconds to the whole procedure of making of a pulao, whether it is vegetable or any other pulao. Okay, thank you so much, and I will show you later after opening how is a pulao. So let it come to, let the heat come down, and then you can open the vessel of this cooker or whatever your vessel when you are covering them. Let it be on that heat only. Okay. So here it is, and I will open, and this is my pulao. So take a fork and mix this like this. Okay, now I will add my vegetable to this and then mix well. So here is my roasted all veg. So pepper, like that is Shimla mirch or pepper, whatever it is, that is one I had taken, a big one, and remaining I have taken like around 2 big tablespoon of green peas and few of cauliflower. Okay, so let's mix this all. Use a fork while mixing it. So you can transfer this into another vessel, bigger vessel, and spread it nicely, or you can directly serve it whichever way. So here is my veg pulao ready to serve. So you can have more, you can add more of vegetables also, but as I said, I roasted it so that the pulao doesn't become like soft. I wanted my pulao to be like this and then add, otherwise it becomes starchy if you add the veg also in the water, and then the starchy it becomes. So this is my way. I make that other way also, but sometimes I do this way. So it's very tasty. Hope you will enjoy this recipe. Do let me know in comment box. Thank you so much.